Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make bitter gourd or bitter melon with beef and black bean sauce. So let's get started. I'll first start by marinating the meat. I'm going to add first 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Next, around a teaspoon of soy sauce. I'm using light soy sauce. Then two teaspoons of Shaoxing wine or cooking wine, and finally just about a teaspoon and a half of cornstarch. So I've mixed it all together now. Okay, and I'm going to keep it aside while my wok heats up to start cooking the beef. So my wok is nicely heated. I'm going to add around a tablespoon of oil and allow my oil to heat up. So once I see that the oil is nicely heated, I'm going to add my beef to it. Okay. So I'll let this cook for about 2 or 3 minutes and then take them off. So now I've cooked this for about a minute or so. Now to this I'm going to add oyster sauce. I'm adding oyster sauce. Okay, so at this stage now I'm going to take it off from the gas stove and start cooking my bitter melon. Same oil, I'm going to add first 1 onion, so add a little bit more oil and I'll cook my onions. To this onion I'm also going to add a little bit of Szechuan pepper, just about a pinch or so. I have onions and Szechuan pepper frying on my wok. Next I'm going to add my bitter gourd. Alright. Next, while the bitter gourd is cooking, I'm going to quickly make my sauce. As we spoke earlier, that this is going to be bitter melon cooked with beef and black bean sauce. So first I'm going to take dried salted black bean in a bowl. I'm just going to take about 1 teaspoon because it's going to be very salty. Like so. Just about so much. Next I'm going to add is garlic powder. Again 1 teaspoon. Also I'm going to take is 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, just for the flavor, and to season my bitter melon. Okay. Add is a little soy. I'm going to dilute my sauce with a little water. Now my oyster sauce was almost over, so what I did was I added some water to my oyster sauce bottle, and I'm using that water. Otherwise, you can just use plain water. That's just about 100 ml. And then mix this nicely so that we can use it with our bitter melon. Alright. So now I'm going to mix this sauce with my bitter gourd and mix it nicely. Make sure you nicely mix it well, and then what we will do is, after this, we're going to lower the flame and let the bitter melon cook in its own steam. Alright, I'm going to mix it now and lower my flame and let it cook for the next 5 to 10 minutes and get back to you. So it's been like 5 minutes since my bitter melon is cooking. What I did was also I've added half a cup of water so that I can have some gravy or sauce, okay, which I will then thicken it with some cornstarch. So another half a cup of water. If you want less sauce, you can add lesser water. If you want more sauce, you can add more water. You can add like about 1 cup of water more. It all depends on how you want how much gravy do you want with your vegetable. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do is the beef that we had cooked earlier. I'm going to spread this on top of the bitter melon. I'm going to spread it like this, and again shut the lid and lower the flame and let it cook for the next 10 minutes. So the beef will be cooked thoroughly as well, and the bitter melon will cook as well. Alright then, see you in the next 10 minutes. So it's been like now 10 minutes that the bitter melon is cooking. Wow. Everything looks so good. It looks completely cooked. Absolutely luscious. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to thicken the sauce a little bit with a little cornstarch. Just about 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And I'm going to thicken the sauce, okay? Just taking cornstarch, little bit of cornstarch in the same vessel where I picked up my beef. So just added a little water and I made the slurry. Add this. And bring it up to a boil. And it's ready to eat. Just let it boil for 2 minutes. Just taste the sauce a little bit for seasoning. I'm just going to add about 2 teaspoons of sugar for extra flavor. So add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Have a taste again. Wow, it's perfect. Perfect bitterness, perfect sweetness. It's ready to eat now. I'm going to now turn off the flame and serve it. So here you go. The bitter melon is ready. I've served it in a nice bowl. If you like my recipe, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Also ensure that you click on the like button and share the recipe and put a comment. Don't forget the bell icon so that you get notification about the next recipe that you will receive from my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and we'll try this at home. Have a nice day. Goodbye.